Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Magis TV on Samsung Smart TV. To do this, it's really easy. First of all, you have to open and go and click on My Fire Stick, right? And once you go here, by the way, if you're using a normal Samsung TV, then you will get this option to download application. So you can directly go to the download section here. You need to skip this. And if you're using a Fire Stick, then it's fine, you can follow this. Now here, then you have to go to developer option, and then you have to turn on. Now you will get something like this, apps from unknown sources. You have to just go and click on turn on. And once you do this, you have to go to the home page here, make sure home, then just go to the search bar, open your download section and go to the search bar there. Now here you will find this option of downloader, search for it, then click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you to enter the URL which application you want to download. So here you have to enter the URL which is from Magis TV. You can exactly copy this website URL and put it there. And here then just go and click on next. And here as I told you, you have to enter it there, go and click on go. Now it will start an option by installing your application, but before this you might come to a situation where you have to search for it, select it, and then you will get this option to download. And here you have to click on install, and then it's how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.